It's the annual Thanksgiving tradition. Mashed potato making with James and Hillary is AWOL. Oh no.
Potatoes.
Here it is, Hills.
Potatoes.
Proof positive that you and James are still a team here. Indeed. You got a hand in this, at least a virtual hand. Now, it does beg the question as to why, if you're taking potatoes, putting them in that thing, it's called a ricer.
It's a ricer. Yeah.
It's a potatoer.
Potatoes.
Potatoer, yeah, whatever. Spudniks. Look familiar?
All she was doing.
James without Hillary.
The
Mashed
masher.
potatoes are coming along. What do you think, Hill? Take a taste. Dive right in. Secrets of Grandma's
That's what
turkey
they did. They
gravy
would have it all ready
recipe.
to go take the turkey out and then make the gravy.